Animal Star's final show. Hooray! Hooray! The circus is coming to town, Indy shouts. Can we go to the circus? Can we, Mummy? I promise to be good. I'll do the chores for a whole month. Indy loves watching the circus. Every year, when the circus comes to town, she enjoys watching the clown walk the tightrope and perform tricks. She also loves seeing the lions and tigers perform. The excitement of the big tent, the smell of caramel popcorn in the air, and the bright lights make her heart race with joy. One night, her parents discussed some bad news. The circus is going to close for good, Indy's mom said. What are we going to tell Indy? Indy's dad was quiet for a while, then said, Why don't we enjoy the circus one last time? The next morning, Indy woke up early, eager to get ready. She wore her favorite red dress and held her parents' hands as they walked to the circus. The streets were crowded with people who had come for the final show. Everyone wanted to say goodbye to the circus that had brought them so much joy over the years. On the circus's final day, Indy's family attended the last performance. The crowd cheered as the acrobats flipped through the air. The elephants marched in a perfect line, and the ringmaster introduced the final act. It was a bittersweet moment. At the end, all the circus crew members came out, took a deep bow, and said goodbye for the last time. Some people in the audience wiped away tears, while others clapped loudly, trying to hold on to the magic one last time. But Indy had a different thought. These animals don't need to work so hard anymore, she said. Maybe the circus could open a farm where the animals can rest and live freely. Her parents nodded thoughtfully. That would be a wonderful idea, her mom said. Maybe one day circuses will be places where animals are simply loved and cared for. As they left, Indy smiled. She felt at peace, knowing the animals would no longer have to perform for entertainment. It was a bittersweet goodbye, but she hoped the animals would finally be happy.